echoes in the rain. Street lights flickering low, watching the shadows grow. Footsteps softly fade in memories we made. Ooh. Water on the glass, waiting for the storm to pass. A whisper in the dark, a fading little spark. The cold wind starts to blow. It's time to let it go. Echoes in the rain fall down, washing through this quiet town. Every tear and every line lost inside the gentle tide, calling out your name again. Just echoes in the rain. Ripples on the street where two rivers meet. Traces left behind, floating in my mind. The sky is turning blue, washing over you. A whisper in the dark, a fading little spark. The cold wind starts to blow. It's time to let it go. Echoes in the rain fall down, washing through this quiet town. Every tear and every line lost inside the gentle tide, calling out your name again. Just echoes in the rain. Let the water wash away everything we couldn't say. Standing in the clear, no more pain or fear. Echoes in the rain fall down, washing through this quiet town. Every tear and every line lost inside the gentle tide, calling out your name again. Just echoes in the rain. Calling out your name. Echoes in the rain.